Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. What if Claude could read your code, understand your projects and help you fix bugs instantly? So in this video, I'll show you how to connect GitHub with Claude so you can use it as a coding assistant for real projects. Claude doesn't directly auto-sync with GitHub by default in most cases. Instead, you connect your workflow by sharing your repository content or using integrations like Claude Code, API tools, or copy-paste repo files. Go to GitHub repository and copy the code files you want to work on, then paste them into Claude and say analyze this code and suggest improvements or fixes. Claude can debug errors, optimize code, explain functions, suggest better structure. Now you can treat Claude like a developer partner, ask things like fix this bug in my code, improve performance of this script, or refactor this project structure. Claude will respond based on your GitHub code, and if you want deeper integration, you can use Claude through API tools or developer environments that connect GitHub repositories directly with AI workflows. This is mostly used by developers for automation and large projects. And that's how you connect GitHub with Claude, by bringing your code into Claude and using it as a smart coding assistant. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.